This is example 7 in our notes on graphing square root functions. And if we take a look at the function we've been asked to graph, we are shifting to the right 6, and we are shifting up 2. So I'm going to graph the parent function, and then just go ahead and shift each one of my points in the direction indicated. 0, 0, 1, 1, 4, 2, and 9, 3 are my parent function points. And now I'm going to take 0, 0 and go right 6 and up 2. So I have a point at 6, 2. I'm going to take 1, 1 and go right 6 and up 2. And that would give me a point at 7, 3. And we'll notice we're going to end up off the graph. If we graph 9, 3 and we go to the right 6, we'd be over here at 15, 5. So I'm going to go ahead and put that point out there just so we can get a sense of what the graph would look like. And there's our square root function shifted both horizontally and vertically. So let's answer some questions. The transformation was right 6 and up 2. So both horizontal and vertical. I have to change my domain because I shifted horizontally. So now x is greater than or equal to 6. And my range is going to be y is greater than or equal to 2 because I did also shift vertically. I'll notice just by looking at the graph that I have no x-intercept and no y-intercept. So let's make some generalizations about what happens when we shift left and right. It says, explain the transformation of the parent graph, the square root of x, y is equal to the square root of x, to y is equal to the square root of x minus h. How does h affect the graph? So our graph is going to shift right h units if negative h, and left h units if positive h. And what I notice is that when I shift, my domain now becomes x is greater than or equal to h. Notice that the range changes, y is greater than or equal to k. So those are important points to remember. Last, it says list all the transformations that were applied in the last graph. And again, we already have. We shifted it right 6, which is a horizontal shift, and we shifted it up 2, which is our vertical shift. So that's it for shifting square root functions.